3 rabbits and around it. In this video, I am going to be doing like my fidget spinners. In the last video, sorry about the title because it said forgot spinner when I meant fidget spinner. And you can pedal them on top, what most people do, and balance them on your thumb and that. The camera if you come over here. Yeah, don't ask how I do that. It's just leave in the comments, and maybe if you win, like if you subscribe and comment, saying I subscribed and like the next video coming up. Yeah. So this is it stacked on top. Yeah, and my favourite is the gold one. It's the best one they can get. I'm just going to see who lasts the longest. This might take forever. Black one's lost. If I win, I lost. Okay, the gold one wins. Anyway, what should I mention? In the next video, I'll see you. Bye.